Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to censor text in Photoshop step by step. I apply step 1. First of all, open your image or document. Right click, use rectangle tool, choose color, example use black color, press enter, then draw. Okay, and apply step 2. Again click image layer or document, rectangular marquee tool, select, go to filter tab, pixelate, mosaic, increase cell size. Okay, and apply step 3. Step 3, filter tab, blur, Gaussian blur. Press Ctrl D. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.